The car you are driving right now is probably slower than the one your dad owned in 1998. Not because of budget, not because of bad engineering, because the industry decided you would never notice, and they were right. Here is the tension. Manufacturer horsepower numbers are climbing every year. Turbocharged everything, dual clutch gearboxes, launch control on family SUVs. On paper, cars have never been faster, but take them to a real road, not a track, not a straight, and something feels off. Think of it like this. A chef can tell you a meal has 500 calories. That number is real, but if every bite is engineered to feel like 1,000, your brain gets confused. Cars are doing the same thing. They are feeding you the sensation of speed without the substance of it. The problem lives in three places: the way power is delivered, the way the cabin isolates you, and the way manufacturers have quietly rewritten what performance means. Modern turbocharged engines produce peak torque almost instantly, often before 2,000 revolutions per minute. That surge off the line feels violent, dramatic, fast, but it is a short burst. By the time you are at motorway speed, that engine is already coasting in a tall gear, barely working. A naturally aspirated engine from the 90s built speed progressively. You felt every revolution. The climb was honest. Now the climb is front-loaded, and then it flatlines. Noise is data. Vibration is data. The wind, the road surface, your own engine, all of that feeds your brain a constant picture of velocity. Modern cars have systematically removed it. Triple-sealed doors, active noise cancellation, floating subframes. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf, for example, is so acoustically isolated that at 60 miles per hour, it sounds like you are idling in a driveway. Your brain receives almost zero speed feedback, so it compensates. It assumes you must be going faster than you are, and you ease off. The average new car weighs about 30% more than its equivalent from 25 years ago. Safety structures, battery systems, sound deadening, larger screens, it compounds fast. A 2024 Honda Civic weighs nearly 300 kilograms, more than the 1999 model. The engine compensates on paper, but physics does not negotiate. Momentum requires energy, and heavier cars feel planted, not fast. Planted reads as confident. Confident reads as in control, and the brain interprets control as speed. So here is what is actually happening. The automotive industry has built cars that manufacture the psychological experience of speed while reducing the mechanical reality of it. The sensation is engineered, the feedback is filtered, and drivers are self-regulating based on feelings that have been deliberately constructed for them. This is not a conspiracy. It is market logic. Comfort sells more than capability. Sensation is cheaper than performance. And most buyers never question whether what they are feeling matches what is actually happening beneath them. What that means for you, the next time your car feels quick, ask whether it actually is, or whether something just wants you to believe that. If that changed how you see your car, subscribe. There is more they have not told you.